Today is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025, and this is Sliced. VCM Coalition launches vision for the verified carbon market. We're excited to celebrate the launch of the VCM Coalition, unveiled during New York Climate Week. Led by the High Tide Foundation, Zoma Lab, and the Bezos Earth Fund, this new initiative represents an important next step in transforming the carbon market, advancing from today's voluntary systems toward an equitable, transparent, and high-integrity verified carbon market, or VCM+. We are proud to have supported its development and to continue contributing to this collaborative effort driving scaled, high-impact climate investment. Through high-integrity credits, the VCM+ holds significant potential to mobilize climate finance at scale, but to date, this potential has been under-realized. The VCM+ Coalition is addressing these challenges head-on and setting a course for a next-generation verified carbon market that will reduce or remove 5 billion cumulative tons of CO2e by 2035 and drive hundreds of billions of dollars to frontline communities, climate solutions, and nature. The growing VCM+ Coalition has united over 50 global organizations across sectors to coordinate reforms and mobilize the funding necessary to expand proven solutions, scale promising innovation, and address critical gaps. The VCM+ Coalition's work is guided by a shared vision for the future of carbon markets, anchored in 5 pillars. 1. High-integrity science. The VCM+ is grounded in rigorous scientific standards that ensure carbon credits effectively reduce or remove greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Robust oversight. The VCM+ is governed by a strong legal and institutional framework and supported by modern, interoperable market infrastructure aligned with financial market principles. 3. Trusted communications. The VCM+ fosters a culture of transparency, accountability, and clarity in all market interactions. 4. Targeted finance. The VCM+ mobilizes scaled, accessible capital through innovative carbon finance instruments that unlock high-impact mitigation projects. And 5. Scaled demand. The VCM+ enables climate-ambitious companies and governments to meet climate goals by credibly purchasing and retiring high-integrity carbon credits at scale. The VCM+ represents the next chapter of the carbon market, from voluntary to verified, with oversight, science, and integrity at its core, said Alexia Kelly, Managing Director of the Carbon Policy and Markets Initiative at the High Tide Foundation. She continued to say, with clear rules, trust, and equity, this market can scale as a powerful tool to fight climate change. About the VCM+ Coalition. The VCM+ Coalition is a global initiative to build the next-generation verified carbon market, unifying and accelerating action across the carbon market ecosystem. It aims to deliver 5 billion cumulative tons of CO2e reduced or removed between 2026 and 2035 and mobilize an additional $100 billion in climate finance across voluntary and compliant systems while restoring trust, improving outcomes for communities and nature, and building a high-integrity, equitable, and scalable market. To learn more about the VCM+ Coalition, please reach out or visit www.vcmcoalition.org. And if you'd like to sign up to join the VCM+ Coalition, you're invited to do so at the link in the show notes. The original version of the VCM+ announcement can also be found in the show notes.